guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So right now it is about 10:30 a.m. I just finished up with a call with a brand for a potential partnership that I'm doing. So we kind of just went over everything from what the campaign will entail to kind of like the dates, deliverables, all that fun stuff. So now I'm kind of just going over everything that we talked about. But anyways, yeah, so it was a really good call. So like I said, it's around 10:30. It is really, really rainy today. And I feel like the entire time that we've all been like social distancing, it's been like really, really rainy, really crappy weather, which I guess it's good, but like I would love some sunshine right now just because I feel like it's so like gloomy and sad. Anyway, so yeah, so this morning I really honestly just had a really chill morning, didn't do a lot. I actually ordered a new vlog camera because right now I have the Canon G7X, but I wanted to upgrade to the G7X Mark II. And Amazon said that it was delivered, so I went down there like literally while the Amazon guy was there, and he marked it as delivered, but he was like, oh no, like I don't have a package like that, like I don't have anything with your name on it. So that was super annoying. But anyway, so yeah, that was really frustrating, kind of threw off my morning because I was really excited to get that camera so I could vlog with it today, but that's okay. Anyways, but today I kind of want to do like a chill day in my life video. I want to have kind of like a productive like cleaning, organizing day because I want to film a whole apartment tour for you guys. So obviously before I put my apartment on the internet, I want it to be nice and clean. But anyways, so yeah, it should be a fun time. I want to do some like self-care stuff because I really need to do my eyebrows. I really need a self-tan. I'm so ghostly white right now. And yeah, so it should be a good time. Okay guys, so I just finished cleaning my apartment. It's now about 11:45. I think I'm gonna finish up my coffee. I've literally had to reheat this like 20 times because I never drink my hot coffee fast enough. But I kind of wanted to just like chat with you guys about everything that's going on. Just kind of like see like how are you guys feeling? Let me know in the comments. Like I feel like it's such a weird time because it's nice that we're all kind of getting to stay home and just relax, but also for so many of us, it's like a very like scary and uncertain time, I feel like. And I'm not gonna lie, like yesterday, like I just like was anxious all day, like insanely anxious. I'm typically not like that. Then again, I did have a lot of coffee, so that probably played into it, but like I was really just like freaking out yesterday and I couldn't focus, I couldn't get anything done, and I was just having like a whole day of panic, and I don't know. So I just kind of took the day to try to relax. I tried to stay off social media. I didn't film or anything, stuff like that. So I don't know, I feel like it's just like a crazy time for everybody. Anyways, yeah, comment down below, like how are you guys feeling about everything? What are your thoughts? If you guys are still working, are you working from home? If you guys aren't working, you aren't doing anything and you're stuck at home, what are you guys doing? What are your favorite activities right now? Kai has literally been just like so lazy and so sleepy this whole time. I honestly feel bad for him because the weather's been horrible, and so I don't want to like go out and get him super muddy. Yesterday he did go out and he got covered in mud, so I had to bathe him, which was a nightmare trying to do that in the shower, but that's okay because he had fun. So this has been literally his spot. He loves just sitting here and then like looking out the windows, but I decided to actually make myself lunch. I made the best vegan mac and cheese last night. Oh my gosh, I really wish that you guys could smell this, but I'm definitely gonna include this in a what I eat in a day video soon because so many of you guys asked about it on my Instagram story when I shared it last night. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower, back in my robe. I didn't wash my hair because I'm trying to only wash it like 2 to 3 times a week. And typically I will wash it on the days that I'm doing like a sit down filming video so that my hair looks nice and fresh. But anyways, so yeah, I'm about to actually derma roll my face. I have been obsessed with derma rolling lately. It has seriously just helped my acne scars so much. It's improved the texture of my skin. And I feel like my skin is just like a lot more, I don't know, like healthy and like glowy, I feel like. And then in the shower, I did just go ahead and exfoliate because I'm gonna self-tan tonight. And this one works so well. It's almost like kind of like a coffee scrub, but it smells like you're at the beach, like a very like tropical, coconutty. It honestly smells amazing. I love this one. But this is just their pre-tan exfoliator. This is just what it looks like, but this is one of my absolute go-tos because it's not like too harsh that it's gonna like take off all of your like healthy skin cells. It's just gonna take off the top layer of dead skin. So, okay, so before I derma roll, I always clean it off with rubbing alcohol, and this derma roller is actually gonna be in my Amazon faves video coming up, so definitely keep an eye out for that. So I've watched a bunch of videos to try to teach myself like how to do this properly. I think I got it down, but also I'm not an esthetician. So if you guys are gonna try a derma roller, go do your own research, go look up your own tutorials on how to do this properly, because I'm definitely not an esthetician. I just am following what I have seen other YouTubers do. So basically this is like micro needling at home. And so what it's supposed to do is like help with, actually I'm not even going to, I know it's supposed to help with collagen production, but I don't know. Derma rollers. Okay, I just want to tell you guys like the full benefits because I love this thing so much. Okay, so derma rolling can help with skin. It can naturally fill in wrinkles as new collagen and elastin are produced in those areas. It can help with scars. It can help with hair loss. So on the scalp, I'm obviously not using it on my hair. It can help with sun damage, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, stretch marks. I honestly thought that I wouldn't be okay with the needles because I am someone that like anytime I get a shot, anytime I get my blood drawn, I like full on pass out. I have ever since I was like a little kid. So I was kind of nervous to do this, but honestly, it just feels like a little like, I wouldn't even say like a scratch. Like it's really gentle, honestly. Like it just kind of feels like nice and exfoliating. It doesn't hurt. And then after that, I'll always follow up with a moisturizer. If you guys want to see my full skincare routine, I did just do a whole video detailing everything that I do. Wow, that was a lot. Okay guys, so another drink fave. If you have never tried these sparkling ice waters, these are seriously so good. They don't even taste like sparkling water. Like they're really flavorful. They're only like 5 calories and they have a whole bunch of like vitamins and antioxidants. But these are amazing. I literally ordered like 4 huge packs of different flavors of these to have in the house because they really curb my cravings and I have like a huge sweet tooth. So if you guys are like me and you don't really drink pop and you're trying to avoid eating a bunch of junk food while you're social distancing, these are such a great option. I just ordered a whole bunch off Amazon. So, okay, so me and Kai love to play this game that I'll hide his ball. And then he has to try to find it. It's honestly such a great game. If your dog is hyper like mine and you need something for it to do, it is a great game. Okay, Bubba, where's your ball? Good boy. Okay guys, so I am just sitting here waiting on my clothes to dry, but I really want to try this hand soap. I saw it, I think, on Julia Haven's YouTube actually, and I tried it one time at a friend's house and it's like the best smelling soap ever, so I'm trying to find it, but it's literally sold out everywhere. Sold out on Amazon, sold out on eBay, and their website is even sold out, so I'm like, I don't know where to get this. But anyway, so yeah, I just put my duvet cover in the dryer, so I'm waiting for that to dry so I can make my bed. I've been trying to be really good about just like keeping everything like very clean. I actually just washed all of my couch covers yesterday. And I really like this couch because you can take off all of the covers on like every part of the couch and they're all washable, which is really great considering that I have a dog and he like always gets just like fur and dirt and stuff like that on my couch. So anyway, so yeah, that is what I am doing. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. It is about 6:36. I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm taking my hair out. My hair seriously needs to be washed so bad, but I've definitely noticed that like since I started washing my hair less frequently, it actually gets like less oily, which is really surprising because I have like super greasy hair, and it's like a lot softer. It's so much healthier. So definitely noticed like a big difference in my hair since I've stopped like washing it every other day. Anyways, so we're gonna look a little crazy right now. Okay, so if you would have watched my what I eat in a day video, then you guys would have seen this. But what I like to do is just take some baby spring mix, and then I will just do half of that, and then I will cut up 1 head of romaine. So I kind of do like half and a half, and then I will just top it off with some of this light balsamic vinaigrette. Okay, and then just for a little bit of added protein, I will cut up 2 of these plant-based chicken patties. It's just what they look like. This is my favorite brand. I really like the spicy buffalo chicken ones, but they were out of those, so I just got the original. They are vegan and everything, which is awesome. Okay guys, so this is just what it turns out looking like. This is seriously just such a good salad, and it just has so many greens in there because I'm so bad about eating my veggies. So yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Hey guys, so it is now 8 p.m. and I have successfully eaten 2 whole bags of candy, binge watched way too much Netflix, and we're feeling great about social distancing right now. Anyways, so I think now I am going to do a face mask and then wash that off, and then I'm gonna do self-tan, and then I just kind of want to like get some stuff ready for tomorrow, finish kind of like picking up the house. I don't know about you guys, but I've literally like never realized how messy I am when I'm like home 24/7, and I feel like every single day I'm just doing like a mass cleanup, even though like that morning I just cleaned up everything, and I don't know, it's just crazy. I feel like I make such a mess, but then like in the moment of making the mess, I'm like not realizing it, so my house is just like a disaster at all times, and it's stressing me the heck out. Anyways, okay guys, so sorry the lighting is so weird. I feel like this camera like washes me out so bad. Anyway, so for my mask, I'm going to be using this Mario Badescu Super Collagen mask. This is just what it looks like if it focuses. This mask seriously just has like the coolest consistency. It's like, oh, it smells so good too. I love this mask so much. Not gonna lie, like my skin is actually healing a lot. Like any like marks that I have on my face right now is just scarring. But when this craziness all first started happening, my skin just went nuts. Like I started breaking out like on my neck and everything. I literally thought that I was having like a stress-induced allergic reaction or something. But it was just like a little crazy. So I haven't worn makeup for several days now, and my skin is like finally kind of like actually starting to heal, which is nice to see. But I'm not gonna lie, I definitely feel kind of like a bum because I'm literally in sweatpants and sweatshirts all day, or I'm in my robe, my hair is greasy, I don't have makeup on, and I'm literally just like sitting in my house all day. So it's like a really weird, I feel super unproductive, but like, I don't know. Do you guys feel the same way? Do you guys feel me on this? I don't really know, it's weird. Okay, so now that my mask is all on, I'm actually gonna go ahead and just whiten my teeth. They're feeling just a little, I don't know, not super bright and white right now because I have been drinking so much freaking coffee. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to let my mask dry, whiten my teeth, and then I will check in with you guys after. Okay guys, I just took off my face mask. So the last thing that I'm gonna do before I self-tan is I'm actually just gonna steam mop my floors really quickly. I've been trying to do this almost daily now just because I don't know what I'm tracking on my shoes. I don't know what Kai's bringing in. And I've been getting a bunch of like packages in recently, and like I don't have any Lysol spray or anything like that. So obviously I'm just setting them on the ground. So I just wanna go ahead and like steam mop my floors and kill any germs. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. Okay guys, so it is now much later. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my self-tan. One of my favorite self-tanners is the TanCeuticals self-tanning body lotion in dark. This is just what this one looks like. I actually really like this one. I like both Loving Tan and this one. This one I typically use whenever my skin is a little bit more dry, or if I want more of just like a natural glow versus like an extremely dark tan. So this is what I've been loving recently. Okay guys, so I just finished putting on my self-tanner. Right now it is 11:15 p.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. If you guys do want to see a self-tanner routine, comment that down below. I think I'm actually gonna put one out in April for you guys. I'll definitely be vlogging a lot more coming up, just because I feel like I have nothing else to do with my days. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy watching these vlogs, comment down below a red heart so I know that you guys are enjoying them and I should keep making more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.